You're not ready for it. I think my Falco is saucy for the first stock, and then after that, my brain's like, how do I play again? That's my Falco in a nutshell.
You wanna do that?
Or me just playing the game in general. Just
Can you take this map off? Or look out. There's an evil dragon. Or look out. Ow. 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 Imagine just being out of range. Imagine going deep and me saving you like a dumbass.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd appreciate if you give your brother the controller back. Sorry, I had to trade their fucking bird attack.
You get to say it.
Oh my god.
Damn it, dude. That was so good. You know for a fact that was disgusting. Homie just went too fast. Problem with going faster than the lights, you're always in darkness.
I hate you right now. Yo, did you know that like we're both birds?
Why'd you have to say it like that?
I don't know.
Did you know we're both birds?
Both birds. I hate my bird, bro. Oh. Can you stop just walking on the cock? Oh, that's why I have a freaking. Hang on. I have a restraining order against that preschool.
FBI, open up!
Does he just walk up cock?
You're my bird bro. I'm trying to game with my bird bro. Got you, dog. Got you, dog. Got you, dog.
Yeah.
I told you I got you, bro. That's kind of cool. Hey. So what's your favorite Pokemon? It's kind of unfortunate.
Did you say about my favorite Pokemon?
I was asking who it was.
I think you know who that is.
The viewers don't.
Well, he is kind of my channel picture, so.
Quit reading me.
Oh, hey.
Hey! It was at this moment.
He knew. He's about to eat ass.
Hey! Not yet. Oh, thanks, bro. He was right.
Oh, look at X. Rip X.
Oh, F of X.
F of X. That was a top 10, not gonna lie. Are you okay? Okay, Ness, chill out. I'm gonna introduce you to this really cool move called the Nair.
It's crazy, bro. Look out. Hey, it's called a spike. You have one of those?
I have one of these. I don't know. I don't know.
Man,
what I was
that's
doing
crazy,
there.
bro. I really wish I had one of those.
Nice.
It's kind of awkward.
That sounded like a whole ass car. Let's do it. Alright, I'm done. I'm not playing anymore. I know who I'm about to pick.
Me too.
You're gonna love it. You're gonna be like, what? You still play
You're gonna be like,
them?
wow, you don't ever play this character.
I feel like we're about to play practically the same character right now.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. I feel like we
No,
are.
we're not.
Yep. I thought you were gonna pick Toon Link.
No.
That's why I said we're practically the same character. But then now you're just a big boy.
Oh, great, another character you can do your nair with.
I cannot find any move that will go past that. Catch.
Wow.
Exactly, bitch. Oh, I have a hair on my glasses. You bitch.
You didn't take any damage though. You're
If I
fine.
die, I'm gonna find where you live.
You know where I am if you have my address saved.
Hey, but do my jump! You want this thing right here?
Yeah. Imagine having a projectile that you can like follow up on.
Oh my god, you did a fast tumble.
Just that, like, you parried it, just to immediately die to the exact same thing. Pretty funny. Where you go?
Why didn't he jump, bro? Oh, that is not cool. That was not an epic game moment right there. I am not having an epic game of time right now.
Needy ass makes it come back. Oh, look out! Little bitch. Ew. Watch this. Yeah.
Come on, dude.
My watch this finally like worked.
It did.
Where do you think you're going?
Inhuman!
Look out, bro. It's crazy.
Oh. Big crocodile punches little boy in the face.
You said I.
Bet.
Oh. That's cool, bro.
I don't remember asking.
Now that's a lot of damage!
Yeet! You know, it feels really good.
Yeah, honestly, I feel the same way.
Yeah.